Hey, in this video, I will show you how to stop iTunes from asking for a password on app install. It basically works the same way on any iPhone model, the iPhone 12, 11, older ones. So make sure you watch the video all the way until the end. Before we start, just give the video a like for the algorithm. Each like helps out a lot, and subscribe if you're new. So what you want to do is just go over to the settings of your iPhone and actually go to the first option that says your name. So click on it, and from there, you want to go down to media and purchases. It's right below iCloud. So click there, click the second option, password settings, and now you have two options. Either always require a password or require after 15 minutes. This is the first thing you want to set up, so it doesn't always ask you for a password when purchasing if you're not sharing your account, if you feel that's secure for you. And then on free downloads, I actually have this option off, so it doesn't require a password for me when I try to install a free app, which makes sense. If the video helped you out, give me a like, and I actually want to see you in one of the next videos.